Hello, lovely family and friends, and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing good. So today, I want to share with you this easy way of making the most delicious and crunchy peanuts for your pastries, for your kelewele, for anything. I mean, like peanuts, Charlie. This is just simple and delicious. Let's get into it, and I'll show you how I do this. For this simple recipe, you need some groundnut or peanuts, okay, fresh ones, not one that they've done anything to parboiled or anything. This is fresh. Well, parboiled because we're going to parboil it now. So if you have parboiled peanuts, that will also work fine. So you pour some hot water on it, add some salt to taste, and then you're going to cover it and let it sit for at least 30 minutes. Mine sat for 45 minutes, but for at least 30 minutes. Once that is done, you drain it and wash it, and then spread it on a tray or any big plate or whatever you have, and you leave it for it to air dry. I put a kitchen towel on it so that it can soak any excess water, okay? So you can also do that, or not, because it's going to dry anyway. It's just that it will take longer. And I also use more kitchen towel to just pat it dry to speed up the drying process. So yeah, then once it's dry, we just come in to fry it. So just about a tablespoon of oil. Mine, I use about 500 grams of peanut or groundnut. So I should have used about 3/4 full of oil, because I realized that the oil was too much, right? So you need about 1/2 to 3/4 tablespoon of oil. Any oil will do, but I use vegetable oil here. And you heat it up, and then you add your peanuts to it. Then you just fry. It takes 5 minutes, literally 5 minutes to fry. So, 5 minutes for my stove or for my burner, because I'm using a big burner, and it was on high. It wasn't on low or anything. It was not high, medium high, in between the both. Just say, you made the old baby. You see the plan. And I won't lie anymore. Then you stir. So at most, even if you have low burner or your burner is not high or something, acha 7 minutes, 8 minutes, then it's ready. But then for me, it took just literally 5 minutes. I was timing it. I was using the time on my stove, and 5 minutes. But me saw stove now 5 minutes now, you're ready, right? So you hear at some point, you hear it that it is popping. When you hear the popping sound, thank you for the popping. No one will say, yes, I didn't know. Are you ready? Then I poured it into another kitchen towel, and then pat it dry again, or just try to soak some of the excess oil. As I told you, I used too much oil. And that is it. It is done and it is ready. Very delicious. So good. Okay. So I hope you give this a try. And thank you for joining me today. And I will see you in the next one. Bye.